Typical guys, yeah, it is, man. It's crazy. See, we're like the Night Blue 3 of Overwatch. I don't know, man.
3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
That'd be pretty crazy. Oh, that's a, let's see, Mercy Widow, Roadhog. Is he gonna chase me here? Is he going over the top? Okay, someone's here. Alright, I don't know if anyone just saw what I did there, but I'm pretty proud of that. Because, not all the rest of the kills, but the very first kill that started it, my friend got hooked, and so I ran forward with Deflect and tanked the hook for him by deflecting it into the Roadhog, and the Roadhog almost one-shot himself, which gave me the resets to kill everybody.
Commence attack.
And now we're gonna sword in. There we go. Had to kill the Mercy first so she doesn't get res. That way, it's the only way they can stop the snowball. And that's the game, man. 117. 1 minute, 17 seconds. You guys can't see it because of the overlay, but it's there.